So as I mentioned in my last video, Dan and I are hosting some of our family members here to celebrate our 1-year anniversary. So I figured I'd share with you some tips and tricks when hosting either family gatherings or large gatherings at your home. First tip, the dollar store is your best friend. You'll be able to get tablecloths for folding tables. One of the things that I got here, these are plastic reusable placemats that can be wiped clean, $1 a piece. Now I also have here, these are outdoor plates. That is something that I also purchased. I believe it was at Dollar General, and they're very cute. Again, reusable, so we're kind of reducing our overall plastic waste. And then these, which I thought were really cute, and a way to like make it less picnicky and more entertaining, plastic. They look really nice, and it's just got a paper napkin in there, nothing fancy. Along with that, I have tiki torches or citronella candles kind of sporadically placed, so as the sun goes down, they'll be light. Another big thing that I have is solar lanterns. So I got these, I believe, Home Goods or TJ Maxx, even maybe Michael's has a few of them. And what's nice about those is same thing, you're able to, as the sun goes down, have light. And then also if people are walking around in the backyard, or you want something on the table that isn't a candle and you're worried about someone like tipping it over or wax or anything like that, the solar lanterns work great. And so these are what they look like. They really do look like an old school lantern, but they're solar. There's tons of different types. And then another big trick that I use when hosting gatherings is in our Coke cooler. This was gifted to us, but you could use a regular cooler as well. If I know that people are going to be staying out late, or we're going to have like a fire pit or something like that, I'll take glow sticks and pop them open and throw them in the ice so that those can glow at night, and you don't have to have an overhead light that's super harsh on the ice or anything like that. Another tip that I have utilized over the years is this. I found this at, I believe it's a garage sale, and it's just a caddy. Now you could do a smaller caddy, or you could do a basket, and what I'll do is I'll put in reusable outdoor wine glasses for people when they come and get their wine next to the cooler, outdoor plastic cups, the utensils for people to serve with, just so there's like a general station for people. And then another thing that is always a lifesaver when hosting parties are these food nets. They're amazing. You can go on Amazon and get I believe it was like a 12-pack that Dan and I got of various different sizes, and like the one that we have for the beautiful charcuterie board, that's huge. That is having the charcuterie board, the cheese, the olives, all of that, and it's perfect. Some other tips, always have enough napkins and things like that. But really, I utilize the dollar store for almost all of my purchases when I have gatherings, because I'm able to get a lot of reusable stuff cheap. I'm able to get the things that I know that we'll dispose of and only have like a single-use version of it cheaply. And then also for things like tablecloths and ways to make it a little bit more hostessy and less picnicky. If you want any more tips and tricks, just comment below. Have a great day. Bye.